Hello viewers, I welcome you to the second part of the video on a pivot table. Previously we discussed on how to create a pivot table. Now we want to look at how to create a pivot chart. Okay, the essence of it is to know plot to summarize your data in a form of a chart. Okay, now in the previous video we checked on various products. These are the products. Okay, now let's go to the source data. So these are the products so far. Okay, so far. Now if you keep scrolling down, you will see the products. They are so numerous. Okay, up to 270 something. Okay, so they are too numerous. We want to summarize this product. Okay, from our pivot table, a product pivot table, we want to summarize them in a chart form. Okay, you come here, you click select all, you click OK. So all the products comes out. So what then do? You come to the insert tab. Okay, I'm coming. You go to this. These are the data from the product pivot table. So you come to the insert, like I said earlier, you select any chart you are used to. Is it the column? Do you want the column? Do you want the pie? Okay, anyone. Let's try the column. You click on the column. Okay, as you can see, this is the pivot filter pane. You can close it if you want. So this is the summary of your data. Okay, Alice Moulton, Boston crab meat, these are the products. Okay, these are the products, and this is what happened in various quarters: first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. See the keys, so you look for it. So this longest bar indicates what happened in the third quarter. Okay, which means that a certain product was at its peak. Okay, so if it seems as if this chart is so clumsy, let's simplify it. Let's narrow it down to maybe two products. So what you do is you deselect all. Maybe you select this and this. Okay, now we want to now plot a graph on it or a chart. So you come. Okay, are you saying this one is better? This one is better. You can shift the pane. Are you saying? Okay, so this is what you have: Alice Moulton and aniseed syrup. So this is the summary of what happened in the chart. Okay, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Look at the keys. Okay, this longest one is occurred in the fourth quarter. Okay, that is for Alice Moulton. Okay, for Alice Moulton, the fourth quarter, as you can see, look at it here, is the highest. So it's the highest here. Then for aniseed syrup, this, should I call it brown, is the highest in the second quarter. See it here. So second quarter, are you seeing it here? So that is how the pivot chart works. I hope you found it so interesting, and I won't want you to let this training to just go like that. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel. My name remains Daniel Ogbenye. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.